Do you often experience fever, cough, or body pain? Try Matang Kuwaw, also known as Cleome viscosa. This traditional herbal plant has natural compounds that help reduce fever, relieve cough, and ease inflammation. Its leaves and seeds are used to help expel phlegm and calm the body. It also supports better digestion and helps fight bacteria that cause infections. For a safe home remedy, always consult a healthcare professional before use. Stay healthy with natural care. Like, share, follow, and subscribe to Healthy Living PH for more herbal and wellness tips.